Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn and email signature with WiseStamp. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigate to the WiseStamp website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once you're logged in, you will see the dashboard. Locate and click on the email signature tab. You will find various templates that you can choose from. Select a template that best fits your professional style. After selecting a template, you can start customizing it. Edit your name and current job title in the designated fields. Next, update your profile picture by clicking on the photo icon. Upload a professional headshot that represents you well. Continue by adding your contact information, including your phone number and email address. Add links to your social media accounts, ensuring they are relevant to your professional brand. Once you have filled in all the necessary fields, preview your signature. Make any adjustments if needed for alignment and appearance. When you are satisfied with your signature, click on the Save button. Your email signature is now ready to be used. To add your new signature to your email client, find the installation instructions provided. Follow the steps specific to your email client, whether it's Gmail, Outlook, or another service. After installation, test your new signature by composing a new email. Check for proper formatting and functionality of the links. Now, let's update your LinkedIn profile. Go to your LinkedIn account and log in. Click on the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Select View Profile from the drop-down menu. On your profile page, click on the pencil icon next to your profile picture. This allows you to edit your profile details. You can update your headline to reflect your current position or expertise. Scroll down to the Contact Info section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.